and all of you. We worship Jesus.
Hallelujah. Dahil ko na ito matutuhin na ito. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Pagkatapos kayo sa presensya mga ito. Hallelujah. All the glory belongs to you, Lord. Hallelujah. Glory, glory to your holy name, O God. All the glory belongs to you. Hallelujah. Huwag sa makausap ang mga igsoon. Hallelujah. Lingan sa kita sa pagpaminaw sa mga pulong sa Dios. Ug akong gituuhan nga apil na ang atong kasing-kasing karon. I believe that you open ready your heart to receive the blessings from God. Hallelujah. Ug karon, hallelujah, aduna tayo bisita nga hatag na nato sa kalandong ng espirituhanon. Hallelujah. The man of God that they're going to preach today, hallelujah, is from all the way from America. He's now in the Philippines with her wife. And our speaker today is from North Carolina, USA. And he married a Filipina lady. And they're staying here in the Philippines right now. And this man is a 30 years evangelist with evangelist grade lens, and he's a pastor's son, if I'm not mistaken. And this man of God, hallelujah, has the passion to preach, to share the goodness of God. He's a revivalist, hallelujah. He has the passion to serve God. That's why he's here. And ayaw na to, kawango na paminaw. Sa pulong, hallelujah, gibutang sa Diyos sa iyang kasing-kasing. Like, make sure that you receive everything that God has put in your heart, hallelujah. And this is to encourage you, my friend. It's not a coincidence that you are here. I believe that this man of God was sent here, hallelujah, to bring encouragement into your life. Hallelujah. I want to welcome, hallelujah, Brother Anthony came here together with his translator, Brother Bill Damari. Sir, welcome to Marangusta. I'm going to give you, in behalf of my father,